My name's Dan Aceves, and I've been serving in P&G for now 2 years, and I'm serving here with my wife and 3 kids. How I see Bible translation and maintenance working together. Without maintenance, pilots wouldn't be able to fly because you have so many checks that you have to do that planes would be down. You wouldn't have a flight program without a maintenance technician. Aviation maintenance is a vital aspect of P&G, especially with roads being underdeveloped and access to places being very difficult. It's really a lifeline for the translators and the nationals who are translating Bibles as well, to be able to come back to the center or to get supplies, to receive training. I really feel like without aviation in the country, you would really take a step back in how long it would take to finish a translation project. Aviation is really a team effort. It is not just a one-person show. It takes admin assistants, it takes loaders, it takes pilots, it takes aircraft mechanics, it takes flight coordinators, etc., etc. If you take away one of those positions, then you really end up hurting the whole aviation department.
One of the things that's happening all across America is a shortage of pilots. And what most people aren't talking about, and you won't hear on the media, is the shortage of mechanics. And when you look at the number of personnel that are needed for mechanics as compared to pilots, the shortage of mechanics is quite significant. And that's affecting missions too, all across the world. And when you're in an environment that JARS operates in these rural communities, Papua New Guinea needs people to fly airplanes, but if those airplanes don't have mechanics to fix them, then the flight operations start, which puts a halt on Bible translation because the translators cannot get where they need to go. I'm assigned to Papua New Guinea as a pilot, but being a mechanic also, I have the opportunity to use my mechanic skills and plug in the shop and help the maintenance team out. One really neat thing for me being in a support side or a support role with aviation is outside of work, we take the opportunity to go out into the local communities and the local villages around our valley and build relationships with them. And Papua New Guinea being a highly relational culture, that's quite significant as far as our bonding and our connection with the local people. Work here is not always easy, and living in Papua New Guinea has its own unique set of challenges. But at the end of the day, what keeps us here is the vision of having every language and every heart changed by Bible translation.
We need to do our part to give God glory, and if your part is being an aviation maintenance technician, then that's where God has called you to be. You'll have no greater joy than being where He's called you.